Hi, I'm Sue, and I'm going to be talking about how to calculate sales tax. It's actually pretty easy, but you need to know the sales tax in your particular area. If you're at home, it might be just as easy to use a calculator if you have one, or the calculator on your computer. If you're out at the store and you need to know the sales tax, you can always use the calculator on your cell phone. Let's say you were buying something for $9.99. If the sales tax was about $6 in your area, change it into a decimal. Go ahead and multiply it by that. And you would learn that your sales tax was approximately, it would be about 60 cents. So then you could estimate that onto your total. And the total cost of the item that you're purchasing should be about $10.59.